Welcome back to MacPhee Ford, and today we're taking a look at this used 2019 Ford F-150 XLT. This 2019 F-150 is in Magma Red, has the 2.7 EcoBoost 5.5 foot box and the Super Crew variation. XTR trim level package on here, so you do have the chrome 18-inch wheels, the chrome bumpers, and chrome running boards. As well as these chrome door handles. Above that is a remote entry keypad to get yourself in. You've got the blind spot tow mirrors on the side there. You've got your power window controls, power mirror controls, lock and unlock, a nice leather arm sill on the door with door storage. You get the cloth bench seat up front, manual controls for all the seats all around. To the left of the steering wheel, you do have your headlight controls and an electric parking brake. Jumping up inside the F-150, you do have a nice little display here. You have the column shifter, gear lever, halogen headlights. And then going through this menu here, you do have a digital speedometer you can go through, engine information, transmission temperature, distance to empty, tire pressure. You have 30,000 kilometers on this 2019 F-150. You get your trip settings, your fuel, a compass, your auto start stop. Towing status, you can go for your towing your active trailer. You have trailer sway control on here as well. Same with off-road, you have an off-road status and power distribution. Your settings here for the DT calculation with normal and towing, pre-collision, so you have active braking and alert sensitivity, as well as your vehicle display and my key setup. On the steering wheel, you have your cruise controls, those menu controls on the left. On the right is your hands-free volume controls and your calling. Over here, you do have your sync system. So you have a home screen preview here. This is basically just going to show you your radio station, your compass, and your phone if it's connected. Your sources you can swap through over to Sirius XM and Bluetooth audio. Your presets are located down there. You can pair your own phone if you'd like, add your own mobile apps, and then jumping over to settings, you have your sound settings here. You can control the treble, mid-range, and bass of the sound. You can set up Ford Pass Connect. You can start the F-150 from anywhere in the world. General settings, pretty straightforward, just your units and your touchscreen beep. You have various vehicle settings, your door keypad code, set up your camera settings, and your onboard serial number. Speaking of that camera, pop it into reverse, you do have your backup camera there. Your voice control, Apple and Android Auto, CarPlay are located in there as well. Moving over, you do have a locking differential, 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low. Your trailer backup assist, your volume media controls, and then your climate control is located further down. Under here, you have 2 USB ports and a 12-volt outlet to plug in any accessories, as well as over here, you have a 12-volt outlet there. Center console, you have your 2 cup holders, a nice big center console, or it is another seat. This folds up so you can have your third passenger up front. Pretty straightforward there. And then up top, you do have your interior lighting controls and a spot for some sunglasses. Jumping around towards the back of the F-150, you do have the XTR badging there, the chrome rear bumper, as well as that trailer hitch installed, ready to go. Your backup camera located right under the tailgate latch. Dropping this down, you do have a hard tonneau cover on here on the 5.5 foot box with the drop-in bed liner. Your wheel wells covered, and you have a few other clamp points and a nice big Ford logo at the very back. Getting up into the back seating area of the F-150, cloth seating back here as well. You can fold this seat up and down so you can increase your storage by a lot more. Back here you have your fuel nozzle, your spare tire tool, and then jumping up inside the F-150. You do have nice big storage pouches here in front of you. You've got your middle seat that acts as a little bit of a command station back here, so you've got some storage in here. You've got a 12-volt outlet, and then you've got these cup holders that just drop right down to the floor. A lot of legroom in the Super Cruise. Obviously, it's nice to have them like that. You got your dome light up top for your rear passengers, as well as those hooks on either side of the roof. And then you get another view of the dash. Jumping up towards the front of this F-150, you do have your chrome rear, front bumper. Your fog lights are installed there. Your halogen lighting system up front with the chrome grille, the plow prep package with the tow hooks, and the engine block heater as well. So if you're interested in getting your hands on this F-150 that is pre-owned with 30,000 kilometers, make sure to message us at MacPhee Ford. Take a look at our used inventory. We thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.